Good night, guys. Thank you. Good job today. Yung next step natin sa kaso, bukas na natin pag-usapan, ha?
Okay, Bessie. Ikaw din, good night.
Good night. Hello?
Hello, Christine. I just saw your flash report about Marissa. How are you? Is everyone okay?
Hi, boss. Yes, okay naman po kaming lahat. Actually, kakahatid lang nila sa akin dito sa bahay. Pauwi na rin sila.
Oh, that's good to hear. Please, no matter what happens, make sure you're all safe, okay?
Yes, boss. Definitely.
Okay, so just keep me posted on the progress of your story. Bye.
Okay, will do. Bye.
Bessie, boss daw. Anis?
Wala, kinakamusta lang tayo.
Uy, himala Ba't biglang concerned yan?
Siyempre, employee pa rin naman tayo. Hindi kaya biro itong ginagawa natin.
And, actually, tama nga si Edward. While Andrew is still on the loose, the more na kailangan natin siyang mahanap kagad.
Hoy, Benedict! Bakit? Tahimik ka yata. Silent mode ka ba? Hindi. Hindi ito sanay makakita ng dead bodies eh.
Well, what can I say? Welcome to the world of investigative journalism.
I was just thinking, if Andrew's still on the loose, hindi ba delikado mga buhay natin? Wouldn't it be okay if di muna tayo maghiwa-hiwalay? I think that would be best for all of us. Don't you think?
Okay, Edward and Lina, you can stay here in the guest room. And then Benedict, you can stay in the couch.
Ako? Bakit? Ay makatabi sa kamang the Benedict?
Benedict, pwede ba? Ang aga-aga eh. Ang mabuti pa, mag-ayos na lang tayo ng mga gamit. Okay? Dahil pa tayong gagawin. Excuse me.
Brad, paano ba yan? Oras ko muna kasama asawa ko.
Yung mga gamit niya, yung mga doon. Kompleto ba yan?
Oh. That's all. No, I'm good, man.
Guys, feel free, ha? We have water, juice, coffee. Make yourselves at home and para nyo na rin ang bahay ito.
Ganda pala talaga ng bahay mo, no, Christine? Laki.
Honey, ang gagawa mo? Han? Hoy!
Ay,
Yung panty mo nasa lapag na.
panty ko?
Iiwan ko sa'yo.
Guys, init, no?
Benedict, alam ko naman na maganda yung katawan mo. At the same time, you have the right to flaunt it. But then again, let me remind you, nandito ka sa bahay ko. And, dalawa kaming babae dito.
Sorry. Nakasanayan ko na.
Mr. Andrew de la Vega, you're a lucky guy. Anyway, ito ang mga reseta ng gamot na kailangan mong inumin. Isa dito yung painkiller para sa braso mo and just continue to use your arm sling. Then bumalik ka sa akin for follow-up check-up. Sige.
Okay, Doc.
Mr. Andrew De La Vega, you're under arrest bilang prime suspect sa kasong homicide against Marisa De Leon. Sumama ka sa amin sa presinto.
Ha?